The more money you make, the more the IRS will take. So if you go from making $75,000 to $150,000, you're not going to see $75,000 divided by 12 on your paycheck. As a matter of fact, I know people who get a raise from $100,000 on their job to $200,000, and they've actually seen less on their check, because the more money you make, the more tax brackets you enter into. I did not think that when you grow in life that you make more money and get less. That just didn't seem fair to me.
So she's dead wrong. When you make more, the tax brackets are progressive. So what that means is the dollars inside of the lower tax bracket are still taxed at that lower bracket. It's only the dollars above into that next bracket that actually get taxed at that next bracket. It's a misconception to think that now that you've entered that higher tax bracket, all of those dollars are taxed at the higher bracket. That is not correct.
Jasmine's absolutely right. I actually really like this particular attorney, and I'm a tax attorney too. I just like the fact that people go down there and bust through all these myths. I've been doing it for years, and I like the way I like the cut of her jib. Good counselor. I would absolutely go and subscribe to her page too. But she's dead right that these are graduated tax brackets, which means the more you make, the higher those next levels go in and get taxed. So if I make $50,000, that level of tax on that first 50 is set. It's not like it's because I made 75, that next 25,000 makes the first 50 taxed at the higher bracket. No, it's only the next 25 from 50 to 75 that would be taxed at a higher bracket, depending on what the brackets are, right? So the way the brackets work is as I make more money, those dollars flow into those higher brackets. It's only those extra dollars, which is why if you're in the highest tax bracket, you have a huge tax appetite to get some write-offs. Even the HSAs, 401ks, and those things can have a huge impact because it's saving you 37 cents on the dollar. Whereas if you're in the 12% tax bracket, you may be saying, hey, I don't really want to go through all the hassle of those things. Maybe I'll put it into a Roth and I'll forego the tax deduction for some other benefits later. Great advice.